Have you ever touched a makeup brush before?
No, not at all. Tinted. I can't believe I'm doing this.
Hey guys, it's Deepica and I am very excited. I don't know how I convinced this to happen. This is my brother-in-law. So many of you guys have been asking to see more of him, but he is a very private person along with my sister.
Yeah, this is breaking.
Who is behind the camera right now.
Came.
Meanwhile, there's Mama Pandu, who's not a private person, who's
you
literally-
can't go in and out.
She has FOMO about not even being in here. Vanessa's gonna do my makeup. Oh. Are you ready to do this?
I have no
All right,
choice.
let's get started. So first and foremost, I actually did not moisturize my face today, but we're gonna start with this pore primer and it just like makes my face nice and even.
So how he will do it?
He's playing makeup artist.
Think of it.
Oh, I need a lot more than that.
In the hospital, we don't do that anymore.
Yeah. Poor guy. Deepica, you're making him do that?
Deepica, this is way too much.
Yeah, I know.
Chewy's Mexican food.
No, Chewy's is not worth this.
Incentive.
Where did I put it?
Everywhere, all
Here,
over.
everywhere, I think. Chin and everything. Oh my god. Here, everywhere.
I've never even done this to Monica.
I know. Now you have to wipe it, I think.
Oh, I do it or do it?
Yeah.
How do you do? With hand or with hand? Oh, poor guy.
This
Deen
is-
Babu.
Monica's dying behind the camera.
Monica, what is this? Why are you laughing? It looks like you have like aftershave on now.
Okay, now you have to use the hue stick
So what
Oh.
he has to do?
Put
Oh,
it
he
under
has to put under the eye?
under my eyes.
Under eyes.
Good.
And what is this doing, Dinesh? What are we doing?
Concealing.
Not bad. Close.
I didn't even
When
know
all
that
fails,
word.
just say conceal.
And then I little around my mouth area because it's also needs concealing.
We just saw the Joker yesterday. I think I'm creating one right now.
Okay, now you have to blend it out. This is a beauty blender.
I strongly suggest you wash your face after. He looks like a little dog.
I want to take a picture this one.
Okay, now it's foundation time.
What did I put this?
All over.
Like your whole face?
Whole face. I can't wait for your mom to see this. Is he doing good?
No. What good is that? Hey, now it's working.
That is working, but you have to put that on the red mouth. Just wipe it on the red. Yeah.
Okay.
Close eyes, Deepica. He's scared.
Monica, we're not having a daughter.
So you're not supposed to wipe, you're supposed to dab. There you go! There you go! He can be taught. He can be taught. There you go. Dab, 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 dabs. Look at you. You're a pro.
What happens if you went to an event like this? They kick you out.
I wouldn't.
This is
Do I look beautiful, Monty? No.
Put it like this. You look better without makeup.
I agree. Now we're gonna put a little concealer over to brighten under the eyes. Yep.
Dude, this is gonna be harder than your board exams for you.
See, you thought being a doctor was hard?
This is too much. I sympathize.
Blend.
Now again blend.
This is non-stop.
Close.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Okay, don't worry. Okay, God, he's good at blending.
Yeah, you gotta see the result though.
Thanks, Mom. Okay, so now what we're gonna do
Can I use the
is,
restroom real quick?
now I'm gonna have you take that same hue stick and put it over my makeup, on my cheeks, on my lips, and my eyes at eyeshadow. Bro, you think my cheek is down here? No! I'm saying no, put it here. And then this side, right here, a cheekbone. You know what a cheekbone is? There you go. There you go.
What does this do?
Now you have to blend it out again. Yeah, good job. See, this is why the hue stick's amazing. You can wear it under your makeup for correcting and over your makeup as a
I
blush.
would not use this as an advertising.
Okay, now this on my lips.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh boy, now this is where I'm really gonna look like the Joker.
I should do a little this. That.
She should be the Joker. This should be a Halloween special.
Inspired by Joaquin Phoenix. Okay, now we're gonna do my brows.
Wait, are you trying to make her the Joker?
I'm gonna use the restroom real quick.
This is gonna go right here. It's to chisel my cheekbones.
What do I-
You're really stressing him out.
Like this?
Okay, yeah, and then this side. Good job. Now blend that out. Look at Monica's face is disgust right now. Monica did a good job on my makeup.
Monica does makeup.
Okay, brows. So yeah, so you're gonna basically like flick up.
Like, go with the hair.
See, you need to give yourself more credit. There you go. A little gattiga. There you go. A little bit of highlight action. So highlighter, this is the one from Fenty, it's very gold. I would just take a light brush, take this lightly, dab it, and then put it on my high parts of my cheek right here.
Right here. Oh, snap.
A little bit more. This side. Okay, I'm gonna do my own eye.
Yeah, I think it's better. How do you do without looking?
I know.
I literally learned that from mom.
No, dude, do it on your own.
Okay. Now.
No, Alchemy, you're messing up. I'm joking.
You're messing up his beautiful work.
I'm joking.
I want to be in this too. Hold on, I'm coming. Smile.
Okay, moment of truth. Ready? 1, 2.
It took 4 people to do your
Not
makeup.
bad.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Yeah.
It was beautiful.
I told you all.
Yeah. He's not bad, right?
To be honest,
No, I'm proud of him.
yeah,
actually.
the
He did
glow.
so-
You're right, he did a good job.
We
You
have to be happy.
want to do it again?
All right, thank you all for watching. Subscribe to her channel. Follow her Instagram.
Yes.
I don't have Instagram. But
You don't
when I
even
do,
follow my Instagram.
I'll-
But all right, you did good. Let's go eat Chewies. It's time. Bye guys. See you next time.
Thank you. Bye.